What's up guys, it's Lauren and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So a few weeks ago I decided to start a feed, or like a flow some people call it, on Instagram, which basically means that all my photos look good together and I use the same filter on all of them. And a lot of you guys noticed and were commenting on my pictures, asking how I edit my photos and if I could do a video about it. So I decided to sit down and show you guys what I do. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So before I could edit the photo, first I had to choose a photo, and I decided to go with one that I posted a few days ago that a lot of you guys really liked, and it also matched with my feed really well. So whenever I posted an Instagram photo, I use the app VSCO, or VSCO some people call it, but it's basically just a photo editing app, and it also lets you adjust the exposure, the contrast, and a bunch of other things. Okay, so this is my VSCO, and I just have some photos that I'm planning on posting or that I already posted, and this is the photo I've decided to edit. So the way VSCO works is when you download the app, some of the filters are free, and then after that you can choose to pay for some other filters. So I did purchase the filter that I use in this video, and that is L7. So the first thing I do is click L7 and drag it all the way up till 12. So after you have L7 on, you just click this one at the bottom and it takes you to the exposure, contrast, straighten, and everything else. The very first thing I do is take the exposure down to 1. After that, I move the contrast, which is right beside it, down to 0.8. Now it's starting to look a little bit like the photos that I post on my Instagram, but there's still quite a few more steps. Then I scroll to saturation and I make it -1.5. Right beside saturation is highlights, and I just put the highlights at 5. And then I take the temperatures down to 1. Right beside temperature is tint, and I actually move the tint up to 4. Then right beside tint is skin tone, and I just move that down to 3. And then finally the last step is fade, which I put at 1.9. This is the photo before being edited, and this is it after. As you can see, it kind of pulls more brown tones out from it and gets rid of the lighter tones. For each photo on my Instagram, it's a little bit different, so I'll adjust the exposure, the contrast, or like the L7, how far up it is, and I might move it down a bit because 12 is sometimes way too much. It really just depends on the photo. There's a lot of really good accounts for VSCO on Instagram that tell you a bunch of filter combinations that you can use, and it actually makes your photos look a lot better, which is where I got the inspiration for one of these, and then I just messed around with it a little bit until it fit most of my photos. I use Unum, which is an Instagram planner app, and it helps me keep my photos organized and make sure that they all match with each other. And right now you can see that this is my Instagram feed, and these are the photos that I posted, and then up here are photos that I'm either planning to post or I'm just trying to organize and see where they would look best. So basically what I would do is just move them around and see where they look the nicest. That is basically all I do to edit my Instagram photos, so if you want to keep up with my Instagram and all my other social media, the links will be in the description. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later.